Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to be seeing about sizing and positioning. Okay, so sizing determines the dimensions of the annotation message box. So over here, if you see, the annotation message box is small. Small provides a compact size, ideal for a brief message or minimal intrusion on the screen. Whereas this message, if you see, is medium. Medium offers a balanced size suitable for most annotations, which ensures visibility without dominating the screen. Whereas if we go on this screen, it's large. Large provides ample space for emphasizing important points or delivering detailed instructions, which maximizes the impact. But we also have an option of selecting custom size. This, helps us select a specific size tailored to the content we have added, which offers a lot of flexibility. So let's go ahead and select or do 440. Maybe we can change this to 460. Yup, this actually looks perfect. Now let's go to the positioning part. So under positioning, we have two options, auto and custom. So under auto, Fable automatically determines the best position for annotations be- based on the content, ensuring that they don't obstruct essential elements or distract the viewer, such as, this one. This is auto. But let's go ahead and select custom. This allows us to fix the position of the annotations, providing precise control over their placement on the screen, ensuring that they appear wherever desired. So let's click on this. Yep, this looks good as well. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.